Hey guys, Tech Mustache here, and today we're bringing you a product unboxing and overview of the Sengled Smart Wi-Fi LED light bulbs. We have two models here, the multicolor on the left and the soft white on the right. So the multicolor bulb features 16 million colors. The best part about both of these, no hub is required, and they both work with Amazon Alexa and Google Home Assistant devices. So this bulb has 16 million colors. No hub is required. You can choose which colors you'd like to use via the app or on your Home Assistant or Alexa devices. You can even schedule it to turn on or off automatically for security purposes. Here's the soft white. Pretty amazing facts here. So 800 lumens, estimated yearly cost 1.8 cents based on 3 hours a day at about 11 cents per kilowatt usage. It's expected to live for 22.8 years based on 3 hours a day, and the light appearance is 2700K lumens, and it consumes 9 watts energy. So let's get to the unboxing. We're going to unbox the multicolored bulb first. These are both a very inexpensive way to replace a Philips HUE system. That's what we're going to do. Standard box packaging. There's the bulb itself. Actually has some pretty decent weight to it. Very good build quality. There's your MAC and serial number. Just fits a standard A19 socket. And all the colors LEDs are inside. And we don't want that to roll away. So here's the Sengled Smart Wi-Fi soft white bulb. Again, 800 lumens, and its estimated yearly cost of $1.08 to run. This bulb was retailed for $19.99 and on sale for $11.99 during a promotion. Standard packaging. Again, it looks like a standard LED light bulb. Some good weight to it, just like the multicolor. There's your serial number and MAC address. Both these bulbs are from Sengled, Sengled. Thanks for watching.